Hey guys, thanks for joining me today in the kitchen. I wanted to share this recipe I have with, it's like an easy, healthy um, cracker. And it's made with just 1 cup of almond flour, 3 tablespoons of water, and, and 1 tablespoon of chai seeds. And that's it. So let's get started. Now I've doubled the recipe, so I have 2 cups in here, but 1 cup of the almond flour I already have in there. I'm just going to add my water, my chai seeds. Again, I doubled it. But this is it. You just mix that around. And when it's a dough, we're going to roll it out. Now, I do want to also make the sourdough discard crackers. I have not yet, but I will once I have some sourdough discard. I have it, I already fed my sourdough and I'm ready to make bread with it soon. So once I do that and I have the leftover, that's what I'll do. You can see the dough's kind of crumbly here, but that is okay. When we put it out and roll it, it will stick together. Now, when you cook this too, the ends are going to burn a little, but you could just take them off. Put another parchment on top of this parchment. Let me get you guys a better view. Okay, so you see how I'm just rolling with the parchment. See how it's sticking together. And this will be a healthy cracker for you. We are going to flavor them up once we get them rolled thinner. I might have to go out more with my paper. Let's make sure I don't go off the edge here. Like I said, as you press it together, it will stick. It will stick together, I mean. In the meantime, you're going to be preheating your oven to 350. And let's see what we have here. So these that came out, I think I'm just going to kind of see, and that's what happens if you don't use the parchment paper when you're rolling it. So the ones that are off to the side here, I'm just going to stick back in. Oop. Then to season it, I have a Himalayan salt. And then I'm also going to put some garlic powder on it and some onion powder. If you have that everything seasoning, you can use that. I mean, really use whatever you want. A little bit of paprika. We're going to see how that turns out. And then we're just going to cut our crackers. And this is just one of them. It's from, is it Breakstone? Is that what it is? And it's for the grill when you're like chopping meat and whatever. But it kind of works good to make little slices. So you can make your crackers. Oh, oven's ready. You can make your crackers as big or as little as you want. I am going to make these smaller. These are like ginormous crackers. But like I said, the ends will burn. You're going to have to take them off. They shouldn't when we use the sourdough discard. But you know, not everybody has sourdough on hand. And I mean, you might not have chia seeds and almond flour on hand either, but they're easy to find in the store. All right, let's stick these in the oven and see how they turn out. 20 minutes. Okay, guys, here we have it. So I did 14 minutes. I didn't do the full 20 because they were starting to get brown, as you can see. Like I said, the ends are burnt. Make sure you can see it. So the ends are, and if you notice here, it's like starting to get browned, and they're a nice solid cracker. Now the little ends that I had that were sticking out over here, I just kind of put on another tray. I took these out even earlier. There's only a few. So like these I'll give to the chickens, but this is a pretty decent cracker. And we'll taste it. Let's see. All right. It's not bad. I mean, it is a dry cracker, but it does have a flavor to it. And it's pretty tasty. They're not made with like whole wheat flour or anything. My taste tester is going to come in and try it. Dry cracker.
Tastes good. Looks like crap.
It does. It looks weird. It's dry, but it's pretty good, right?
Tastes like a cookie.
Like a cookie?
Nah.
You don't like it?
Not really.
All right, so he says he doesn't like it, but I can guarantee you he's probably going to eat most of them.
That's because I'm a fat guy. I eat everything.
Oh, jeez.
That one's not bad.
Maybe it's the one you had. Maybe don't eat the dark ones. Eat the middle ones.
I did. You take one more.
Yeah. He doesn't like them, though, guys. He doesn't like them. So, easy, healthy. That's probably why he says he doesn't like it. Because it's made. It's healthy. There isn't any sugar. So, try them. See if you like them. Let me know in the comments if you do. And we'll do the sourdough ones next.
Sure you have water.
Yeah, they are dry. It is a dry cookie. Not as dry as a saltine, though. And I will see you on the next adventure.